Wow. I am right now just doing a test run with my backpack almost full of everything that I'm going to need for my trip up to Pukaskwa National Park. It's been over 20 years since I was last backpacking up there. It is spectacular. I love it. As I record this, I'll be leaving tomorrow to drive 15 hours to get there. But I also have not been backpacking in a very long time. I'm used to canoeing now, so I usually have all my gear in the canoe so I can take more. And I was trying to figure out how on earth am I gonna pack just enough to fit in one backpack. I don't have everything in it yet. Got most of it in there right now. But figured I'd make this little video just to show you what I'm prepping to take. And then following that, when I get back, there should be an awesome video of this amazing place, Pukaskwa National Park. So for now, let's just take a look at what I'm bringing. Okay, so some of the stuff I'm taking, obviously I have my backpack. I've had this for quite a few years. Haven't used it much because I use my dry bag backpack when I'm canoeing, but I'll obviously have to use that for this trip. I was a little worried that I couldn't fit everything in, but I think I might be okay. I obviously taken my sleeping bag. That's important to keep me warm. This one's good down to -5. Over here, I've got a compression sack with my clothes in. It's great that they can make things small. I wish they could just make things lighter too. That would be awesome. I got my one-person tent here. It's my ground tent, not my tree tent that I normally use. But this is super light and sets up in like 2 minutes. I got myself a little chair. So this thing is pretty pricey, but it's only 500 grams. And look at the size of it. Smaller than my tent, so that's amazing. Water filter and water bottle. I've got a tarp. It's supposed to rain the first 2 days that we're camping. Not a 50 or 60 or 70% chance of rain, a 100% chance of rain. Yay. Most important thing when you go camping, your toilet paper. Definitely need that. Emergency blanket in case my -5 sleeping bag is not quite enough. That there in the green thing is a little gear hammock. I use it all the time. It's really convenient to keep your gear off the ground, so I'll be using that under my tarp. Little first aid kit. It's good to have that with you. I've got a little bug mesh thing that goes over my head should the bugs be bad. A little blanket, which I can also use as a pillow. If the bugs are bad again, of course, I've got some bug spray. There is an actual little inflatable pillow. I've got my Luminade lantern, which is really cool, as well as some flashlight, matches, whistle, etc. packed in that little bag. In here, I've got all the ropes I'm going to need. I've pared it down to only the ropes I think I'm going to need because normally I take extra, but for weight purposes, I wanted to get that down low. I've got my sleeping pad here. I've got a rain cover for the backpack, again, because we're supposed to be getting rain. And then raincoat, rain pants. I still have to pack my food. That I'm a little bit concerned about. I know it's going to be heavy. Thankfully, it gets lighter as you go along, but I'm really not sure where I'm going to put it. I did a quick pack of everything that's there, and it pretty much filled the backpack, so the food bag is going to be an issue. Then I also would like to, if I can attach it to the backpack somewhere, I have another sleeping mat, a foam one, just to give me a little bit more cushion. So that's what I'm hoping to take, along with what I'm definitely planning to take. So another thing I need to pack is whatever camera gear I'm going to take. Normally I take quite a bit of camera gear. This time I may end up with just a GoPro, my Osmo Pocket, and my cell phone. I would like to take more, but it's the weight and the space. So that may be what I shoot the video of this camping trip with. But either way, there's going to be video. I can't wait to share that with you. And yeah, it's going to be a great trip. So I look forward to sharing that with you, and we'll see you later.